Hello friends, pour a little olive oil into a small ladle. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, stir everything well and heat slightly over medium heat. Pour in 1 cup of rice. Add 2 cups of water. Cook the rice until it is half cooked. Friends, I'd be so happy to hear where you're from. Let me know your city, country, and if you're in the US, your state too. Next, melt 1/2 stick or 60 grams of butter in a frying pan. If something is unclear in the recipe, just leave a comment and I'll answer as soon as possible. Finely chop 1 package of spinach, about 6 ounces or 180 grams. Liking this video would be appreciated. It's a great way to show your support. Add it to the pan. Let it wilt and soften. Then grate 2 cloves of garlic on a mini grater. Friends, if you enjoy what you see, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for similar recipes in the future. Add to the spinach. Stir fry for another 3 to 4 minutes. Remove from heat and transfer to a bowl. Now, drizzle olive oil into a pan. Finely chop 1 onion. Add the onion to the pan. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Grate 1 carrot. Add to the pan. Fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 pound or 450 grams of ground beef. Break it up gently with a spatula. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Mix well and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes, just until the meat is browned. Next, remove pan from the heat. Add the ground beef to the bowl with the spinach. Stir to combine. Add 1 cup of frozen peas. Mix everything together. In a bowl, beat 4 eggs. Add 1 cup or 250 milliliters of cream, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix until smooth. Take 3 baking dishes. Lightly grease them olive oil. Brushing the sides evenly. Then start with a layer of rice in each dish. Then add a layer of the meat and vegetable mixture. Repeat the layers once more. Pour the egg and cream mixture over the top, spreading it evenly. Grate 5 ounces or 150 grams of soft cheese. Sprinkle it generously over the casseroles. Bake in a preheated oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes until the top is golden. Now, take the casseroles out of the oven. Cut off a piece. That's it. The creamy layers, the rich filling, the melted cheese. If you liked this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Until next time, happy cooking.